And just like that, we're back, folks. Have you had a chance to fix your bashers since the last time we took them out? If not, you have 6 days to do so, because we're headed back out to the Livermore Bike Park. Head over to the Beast Mode page and check out the details. If you like the content, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe below. But stick around, because you're not going to want to miss this epic RC car bashing action. So stay tuned.
Run over your son like that, right? Oh!
On the power.
Yeah.
Aiden still has a wing.
Take some.
There goes the body.
Still got it, Nick. Oh. Where you at, son? Oh, come on. You guys are supposed to water the track.
I know, huh? Oh, nice comeback.
Oh.
There we go.
Oh, nice. Nice. Oh my God. Big boy?
Right, I'm gonna come at
oh
you.
my
Bro.
God. I gotta see this.
Like right at me?
Come on, we're coming
Oh,
this
I love
way.
when you do this.
Alright, Aiden. Not going?
No.
Okay. Give me a second, okay?
Okay.
I'm coming this way and we're good.
I don't think it. Yeah, me and Robert went there.
We're going for the big jump.
Oh, the big jump?
Don't break it.
I shouldn't. The chassis bent too. On the
Barely
back.
tell.
No way, Arma's chassis bent?
That's my original EXB. I've been sending this thing for years already.
Damn. Yeah,
They
that
bent?
sounded
I
good.
thought they were like
I think I'm gonna put another EXB chassis
Still
on it just
plastic?
because
double.
it's
Just
lighter.
double.
It's lighter.
Put it double.
I don't want it heavy.
Yeah, still got the plastic hangers. Yeah, it's all good.
All I do is I put the rear bulkhead up at Vitavon
Yeah,
because
that's smart.
otherwise it was ripping the wing mounts and ripping them apart.
Yeah.
No, just bash it RC.
Where's the car, dude?
I bought it for I bought it for. Hey, I bought it for.
Hit that lip so hard.
Yeah, I remember when Al was there. Yeah, he was going to the fences and all that. He was going under it. And then we count. I guess we can't. Oh yeah, they down, right? Some people started racing. Yeah. He's gonna clear that. Something came out.
The wire came out.
Damn, Michael.
Oh, I hear something.
He broke his battery strap. I hit the parked car. My parked car.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the content. Please remember to like and subscribe. Smash that notification bell so you don't miss out, and we'll see you all next time.